Success statement, if you don't have one for the project that you are working on, regardless of the stage of your project, go freaking get one, because it honestly sets you up for success. In terms of where it plays out is, yeah, you got stakeholders saying we need to put this in now, and then that helps you calibrate. Yes, it adds value. No, it doesn't add value. It also holds you accountable for the solution that you're creating, because we can be going through stuff and then we're like, I don't know, we get excited about a scenario and we start going down this tangent, it's this big branching scenario. And then you're like, does that actually help someone achieve the success statement? Is that going to help them change their behavior? So it holds us accountable as well when we get excited about something or the solution that we're trying to create. Like, especially like you could be like, oh, what if we did an app, or what if we did VR or whatever? Doesn't, like, that's not helping us achieve the success statement. It literally just needs to be a checklist that people have in the workplace, for example.